Protection with protective ceramic coatings. At Faisal Engineering Services, we bring you Loctite's advanced engineering solutions aimed at safeguarding your machine equipment against impact wear. Our protective coatings act as a sacrificial layer, shielding your machinery with the strength of ceramics, the world's third hardest material. Why choose ceramic coatings? They mean less maintenance, cost-effectiveness, and prolonged equipment life. Our ceramic coatings come complete with a carefully packaged hardener and resin comprising A and B parts for easy mixing and application. Whether you're coating a new surface or refreshing an already ceramic-coated area, the process is seamless and efficient. Here is the impact tests with 320 inch-pounds of force yield outstanding results, proving the resilience of our ceramic coatings. Here is curing time demo. Ceramic coating cures in just 4 hours, surpassing other options in curing speed. Need abrasion resistance? Our coatings excel in silica sand slurry working, promising top-notch protection for your equipment. Reach out to Faisal Engineering Services for both supply and application of these exceptional ceramic coatings. Elevate your machinery's resilience today.